Today we're in Food Room, which is a cooking and tasting school located in Guadalmina, Marbella. We offer all kind of cooking workshops, like Spanish traditional cooking or anything like Italy or Japanese or any kind of cooking you can think of. We offer private chef services, and also we offer a nice place to have a nice event for family, friends or your company. So we also have cooking themed birthday celebration for kids. We can also offer corporate and group events. And also, if you really like to do something different, you can have your hen party here and cook up a store.